Yes,
Okay, thank you very much, Senior Counsel. Lempa, and be precise and do not rehash what you have already written. Give us the specific details which you think that would require our attention.
yes, thank you.
Lempa, continue on that basis.
Thank you, my lord, my ladies. Our amended petition is dated the 22nd day of April 2026. It is supported by the affidavit of Tony Gachoka, dated the 16th day of June 2026. For the affidavit.
Yes.
My lord, it is also supported by the affidavit of Ironko Nyakera. Ironko Nyakera, I'll get the date. I'll get the date, my lord. And the submissions, our detailed submissions, dated the 16th day of June 2026. My lord, and before I proceed, I would like to bring to your attention, and under section 60 of the Evidence Act, that this court should take judicial notice that today, Safaricom share was selling opened at 34 shillings and 40 cents. 34 shillings and 40 cents. That is judicial notice. And therefore, courtesy of your conservatory orders and the status quo orders by Justice Mugambi, your brother, this country has been saved of 2.4 billion shillings today, the money that John Bandigongo and Dorcas Oduor Agik Odong wanted to throw away. The Lord, without necessarily rehearsing on what my senior counsel has said, our submissions have a number of parts. We have the factual facts from paragraph 1 to paragraph 57, where we begin the analysis. But my lords, my ladies, we would like this court to take close attention to paragraph 2 of the written submission, where the divestiture sessional paper states that they would want, or the objective of this divestiture, of this ignominious divestiture, is to raise revenue. My learned senior counsel has elaborated that the Constitution under Part 3 does not allow George Badingongo and Dorcas Agik Oduor to raise revenue using Part 3 of the Constitution. That is in paragraph 4. My lords, my ladies, would also like you to pay closer attention to paragraph 5, where the sessional paper in paragraph 1.72 describes the would-be purchaser, the said shares of Vodacom Group, the seventh respondent, a foreign entity wholly owned and controlled by unknown shadowy persons. Watu ambao hawajulikani, shadowy persons. While
submissions?
Yes. Submission. Yes. Paragraph.
Do you mind repeating what the Constitution does not permit?
The Constitution does not permit the state to raise revenue using Part 3 of the Constitution. It is well elaborate. It will come clearer as we go to specific details to that. But we are saying that on paragraph 5, the first respondent sessional paper, which is paragraph 1.72, describes the would-be purchaser of the said shares as Vodacom Group, which is the seventh respondent, as a foreign entity wholly owned and controlled by unknown shadowy person. While, on the other end, the press release dated the third day of December 2025, which is annexed to the affidavit of Tony Gachoka, of the supporting affidavit dated the 22nd day of April 2026, projected the eighth respondent being the Vodafone Kenya Limited, as the would-be purchaser. They are introducing a purchaser by a press release, not in the sessional paper itself. The Lord, going down there, it is very clear that the way the respondents have treated this particular divestiture it's shrouded in mystery. My Lord, my learned colleague, my learned senior counsel, Kalonzo Musyoka, has said that indeed the expert evidence that is attached to the affidavit of Nyakera Irongo, IN1, is not uncontroverted, my Lord. My Lord, we wish to submit that while expert evidence is not binding on court, while a party wishes to challenge expert opinion on a technical issue, the ordinary and proper course is to adduce contrary expert evidence and mere assertions by counsel or lay witnesses, like John Mbadi is a lay witness, like Dorcas Odur Agik is a lay witness, are generally insufficient to displace a properly founded expert evidence. So that the question we pose, is the evidence of Irongo Nyakera a properly founded expert evidence? Yes, it is. Is Dorcas Odur Agik an expert witness? No, she is. She isn't. No, she isn't. Is John Mbadi an expert witness? Indeed, he is not. And therefore, we urge this court and we submit humbly that you treat the entire expert witness by Mr. Irongo Nyakera, who is a financial engineer, as uncontroverted. And the uncontroverted evidence, my lords, my ladies, is nothing but evidence of how the state has undervalued the shares of Safaricom company, the shares that they hold in trust for the people of the Republic of Kenya.